Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithalec.com, and today I want to show you a quick and easy card for Halloween. So let me just get started. Here I want to feature, as I've been doing, like at least with this weight, the design series paper that is Toil and Trouble. And what I love about this one is that you can either fussy cut, or there's some dies that can also cut these little designs. So there is a suite that is called Toil and Trouble, and they die cut some of these witches, the cauldron, the cat, the frog, the hat. So there is a lot of things that you can cut, and there's nothing for the pumpkins, but you can die cut them by hand, and they're really easy. So, and of course, I love the colors on these. I think it's a very colorful, very playful and fun design series paper for Halloween. So I cannot get enough of this. I think this is the first year that I've done so many projects for Halloween that I cannot believe it. I just love it. So let me just show you what we're gonna be doing. So the card base that I have here is basic black, and let me just put this aside for a second. I'll show you in a second what we're going to be doing here. But so this one is, as usual, 5.5. It's 5.5. Okay, by 8.5, so you can see it. So anyway, you just fold it in half, and I'm just going to be putting it like so. Now, I have a piece of Mango Melody. And this one is 3 3/4 by 5. Yes, by 5. And then I have a piece of the design series paper that I show you. Like I said, there is, and there's a coordinating punch that had bats. And you can also punch them out from here. But this one is 4 1/4, and I'm going to be gluing it. I'm going to be cutting it, so it doesn't matter. But the width is 1 1/4. I'm still not sure exactly how I'm going to line it up. You know me by now. I almost never know how my card is going to turn out until the end. I have a piece of pumpkin pie that I already die cut with layering ovals, and I have the coordinating stitch shaped framelit oval in Whisper White. So I'm going to have it like so. I had already fussy cut this little which I am in love with the witches on this design series paper. And then I have a piece of scrap Whisper White, and I had already die cut star from the takeout box, or is that takeout box? Let me show you. Which is the takeout thinlits dies, and so I used that one in crushed curry. So this is the set that I was talking about. So this is the star, and we're gonna be using this one for our sentiment. I have a video also with these cute little take box, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. I'm sure you're gonna need it, and it will be perfect for all your treats during the Halloween. So don't let it go. There is a coordinating set, as you can see here, which is a takeout treat. And it goes really well with different occasions. You have Valentine's, you can do Christmas, you can do Halloween, or you can do any other thing. You can see some other. So it is a great set. And of course, if you get it as a bundle, you always save 10%. So I'm going to put it like so. Let's just get a stamping first. So another item that I am particularly excited about, and I cannot have enough now, is the Buffalo Check, the stamp set, and I'm just in love with it. I don't know what it is. I just love it. And so I've been doing more and more cards with this one. So anyway, we're gonna be doing tone on tone on these. So I'm gonna have Mango Melody, and we're gonna go ahead and stamp the whole thing here. When you have these large stamps, you stamp it a little bit differently. You put your stamp, then you put your, before I do that, then you put your cardstock Okay, and then you put a piece of paper here and then rub it. So it's a little bit different as with the other stamp sets where you just put the stamp down. In this case, because it's so large of an image, I always like to do these. That way I ensure that the whole image is transferred. So I'm just rubbing it. The only thing you have to be careful is not to move the paper underneath, so that you have a moved stamp image. So, and I'm just putting the same amount of pressure, and that's pretty much it. So let's see how it looks. If not, you can see, voila, perfect, right? I mean, I love it. And it just goes well with anything. I've done Christmas, I've done some for other Halloweens. I mean, it just goes perfect, and it goes in any color. So seriously, this is a great set, a great stamp to have. And so this one will go like so here. Then I have, this is where I start putting all the things and start looking at how I want it. And you know what? I actually like it that way. I usually do like a little bee. I don't know what it is lately. I'm not liking it so much. I mean, not liking it, but not using it that much. So I might just go this way. Well, who knows? Because I think I want to put my sentiment here. So let's just put, so I think I'm liking it so far. Let's just do the sentiment then. Oh, and I didn't put anything on block. So let's just do that real quick. So I'm going to be using this one. And the less tricks, more treats. Because this is Halloween. So let's just do that. So we're going to be putting this one here. And I'm going to be putting this one here. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and stamp these. Alrighty. Full color. And then I'm going to be using Memento. Just need to make sure I have a nice black image here. And just press firmly. Oh, perfect. I love it. And then we're gonna go ahead and like cut it with the Big Shot. I'm just gonna put this ones here. So let's ring the Big Shot. Okay. Alrighty. I have the magnetic platform underneath. I have one acrylic, then the paper. Then I'm gonna be putting the die. And here we go. Another acrylic on top, and then run it through. And voila, that's it. So I'm gonna take it out of the way. And here we go. Now, I could see I kind of move it a little bit, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit here. Because I want to not have, and this one is kind of an easy to do that. There we go. It looks better for me. I kind of move it a little bit, I guess, when I was running it through. So it looks better. Okay, so now here is where we are going to start doing this. So we're going to have that one here. And I think I want this one here. But I want to add, oh yes, like a little bit of this. So let's just start making sure how I want this. So I want this one here. Then I want this to, I know on this one I won't be doing anything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it down already, because I know there's nothing else on these. So where's my glue here? Alrighty. And I think this one also doesn't need, oh, no, who knows, hold on, because I might want to put it just to that size. So let's just wait. I'm gonna put it like so. And then I'm gonna be putting, ooh. So now I put this one like so. So I like that. I do like the black on these with this. And then I'll put my little witch here and a star here. Perfect. I think that's how I want it. So let's just get started. I think that's how this is gonna turn out to be. Like I said, I almost never have the cards made until I am filming. Is that not crazy? That's how my brain works. So, how do you design? How do you come up with your cards? Do you always have like a prototype? I have someone in my team that she always has like a prototype. And I remember always teasing her. Just because I'm not that way. I always go, I'm always on the go. So, but her cards are always stunning. So I think that works for her. So let's just go ahead and put these. And because I want this one to be popped up and this one too, so I'm just gonna go and glue this one like so. And we're gonna be popping up this one. So I probably will need some smaller dimensionals for this section and the hat. So let's just do one right here, one on the hat, and one on the feet. Yes, it's not showing up. And then I might need to cut one, you know. I'm gonna need to cut one of these because I want to put one here and one there. Yes, and I might need another one here. All right, so let's just bring the trash can here for a second because I am peeling out all the little backings. So give me 1 second, I'll show you. So here we go. I'm just peeling off the bags. Perfect. So this one, oh. There we go. I'm like, what happened here? And then I'm gonna go ahead and put these. And here's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one. I'm folding it in half. So I can have that, like a little banner deal. So I still love banners, you know that. It's just I didn't want to have it. Let's see, is that long enough? Because this one will be here. And you know what? I might need to put it here. Alright, you know what? I might have to cut that one section. Yes, I might need to cut it. That way it is like that. So I'm gonna need to cut a little bit more. I should probably put this one first. But that's fine. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna add adhesive here. And then we're gonna be adding this one with dimensionals. How about that? I think that will be perfect. Well, I'm running out of dimensionals, so I'm gonna cut another one here. Let's take all the backings. Trash can. Alrighty, and then finally, oh, I need another dimensional here. Let's just see. Now for this star, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and add wing of a Stella, because I feel that stars should be shining all the time. So we're gonna add some wing of a Stella, and I'm gonna be putting also some wing of a Stella on her apron and on the band of her head, of her hat, I should say, not the head, but the hat. So the apron has that, and the band of this cute witch hat. And here we go. So what do you think, huh? It looks gorgeous, I think. So anyway, hope you have enjoyed it. And also don't forget about my ordering incentive for 2018. When you purchase anything on my online store using the hostess code that you can find at creatingwithali.com, you get a card kit in the mail to make 4 cards. It will include everything to make your card except the stamping. You'll have to provide the stamping, but you can always substitute with whatever you have at hand, or even better, you can even get the stamp set the following month. And now if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month. That could be rhinestones, buttons, trinkets, ribbon, so you name it. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Also, let me know, how do you like this buffalo check? I think it's an awesome stamp set. And leave me a comment. I always love reading from you. And anyway, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for stopping by, and see you. Bye.